what's up everybody? Brent for Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. My favorite car today, GT350. Hey, it's been about a month since I made a GT350 video, so I was excited today to do this. And if you love GT350, stick around to the end. I'll put a link to the playlist where I have tons of supercharged and naturally aspirated GT350. So let's get started. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify. Let's go check it out. All right, so here's what we have today. And don't forget, if you want something like this built, you can email quote@brenspeed.com to find out what that costs to get installed. And then all the parts I'm going to show you right now, click on that description. I'll put links to all that. I have Doug with me. Come down, take a look. I love this car, and I love the fact that our client did pretty much everything we recommend on these. We have the Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger. We're going to watch a dyno pull in a second. I'm targeting over 700 real horsepower, but we like to do more than just the Whipple, all right? So we did the billet oil pump gears. Those are installed. This is a 2018. It's got 12,000 miles on it. Kooks long tube headers, high flow cats, Borla attack exhaust. It still retains the active system, so that's cool. And then cooling mods. That's super important, all right? So we're up over 700 real horsepower. We got a big Adler radiator, rear cylinder head cooling kit, cooler thermostat, and that's what I always call my standard recipe for an awesome GT350. So that's what's on this car right here. And don't forget, again, that description, I'll have links to all this, and you can read a lot more about that blower because he talks about the injectors and everything you're going to get with that. Let's watch this dyno pull. Now that's what I like to see right there. We're gonna go look at these numbers, but something else. This is 93 octane, and this is running the Whipple calibration. So here we have it. 761 real horse. That's on our DynoJet SAE, right about 8,000 RPM. Torque comes in great, 524. Peaking at 4,500 RPM, but it stays pretty flat all the way across the board. So I said earlier, I'm targeting over 700 because, you know, hey, I don't want to get myself too excited and then let myself down. 761 is awesome. This car is going to kill it on the street. It's going to kill it at the track, and that is a sweet torque number for something like this right here. So again, leave that comment if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer, and watch that link I'm going to put right over here so you can watch all the GT350 videos I've done, and there's a lot of them. Thanks for watching.